Hello, I'm in a 2016 Chevy Malibu, and today I'm going to show you to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first, make sure your vehicle's turned on, which this is, and then make sure your display here is turned on. And then from here, from your home screen, we're going to click on phone. You also could probably get to it through settings. And then here, you might have to delete a device first to make room because there's a limited number of phones you can have stored. So let's say we need to delete one, hit this little trash icon and delete. Now we've made room, so there's at least one spot now. So search device, and then from your phone, make sure this is highlighted. This is your Bluetooth symbol. Often if you press and hold it, it'll pull up your pairing menu, so pair new device. And then it says my phone name here, so we'll click it. And then start pairing. And then it's got this random pin, which does match my phone. So we'll pair, and I don't want to sync my calls, but you can if you'd like. And then we'll also confirm on the vehicle. And we should be all connected now. And this is through the Chevy Malibu. So now you should be able to take calls, messages, listen to music. Some newer models, you might be able to sync up maps and things as well for your navigation. And then to get to that, if you're on say the main screen, you can go through your source. But yeah, if you're having issues with your music playing and whatnot, first I would check to make sure the volume is actually on your phone as well as on your radio. And then from your audio settings here, you can go to source and make sure you've got Bluetooth selected here. But that's it. I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.